What's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is our next ant species, the American winter ant. Some cool facts about this ant is, one, they prefer low temperatures, almost to near freezing. And another interesting fact is that they secrete this white substance from their abdomen that wears off competing ant species. And it's actually been known to kill other ant species with this substance. It's like an acidic liquid. Truly fascinating. There's a bunch of aphids right there. Alright, see you next time on Lifers. Subscribe so you don't miss anything.